All right, my dear friends, this is our dining room table, and this is where we do our schoolwork now. And on our centerpiece, I just have this art caddy. It just kind of stays here for this season, and it has just everything a little girl would want. We have markers and gel pens and, you know, all sorts of fun things: crayons, pencils, pens, permanent markers, and we have some art supplies. We are blessed that we have already had so much of this stuff collected over the years, so I didn't go out and buy any of this. I just had this. And anyways, when we realized we were going to be homeschooling, I just had a dump zone right over there next to our piano. Kind of this whole area was like a dumping ground for the stuff that the teachers were sending home. And we were in limbo because I was like, okay, are we homeschooling, and then are they going back to school? So I was so confused kind of with what's going on. But now that we know that we are staying home to homeschool the rest of the year, I had to come up with a system that's going to work for us and not just have like a dump zone over there. So I've created something I'm so excited to show you guys. It's actually, this is our entry closet. This is our front door, and we have an entry closet right here. And I created a little homeschool catch-all in here, and I will show you guys. Just a moment. Okay. So this is what it looks like inside. So we still have our coats being hung up here, and for the little girls down here, their coats are there. And then this is kind of like our media, so just ignore that. But then I just brought up this bookcase that I had downstairs, and we weren't using it, and it just fit in here nicely. And I had some bins, and this is where we hold all of the school supplies. So all of these things were like on the floor over there. And now they're nicely all put here. And so down here we have just some curriculum I have for my little ones on how to teach them how to read. And then we have some math curriculum, just a bunch of curriculum because we have 4 different grades. We have some clipboards on the end. And then in here is just kind of some puzzles and a sharpener. And then some Bibles and some books here that the girls love to read. And this is, sorry, you cannot see that. This is just a basket full of not exactly homeschool stuff, but some fun things like cards, and these are little origami things, and my girls like to color those. There's some note cards in here, and bubbles, and some Play-Doh, some games, so that's kind of fun. And then in this basket is where our girls keep their planners, where it has all of their schoolwork in there from their teachers. So I can pull some of these out. I'll try to do this while I hold my phone. Okay. Here we go, 2 more. Okay. So here's what they look like. And this is my oldest daughter. She's 4th grade. And she wrote the Planner of Peace. She did that all on her own. It's so cute. And yeah, my girls still have a bunch of things that their teachers assign to them every week, like an hour of math and silent reading and science and outdoor education and history, and they have writing books that they work in every day. So they have a lot of their schoolwork in here, and I love it because there's just so many dividers in here. I think there's like 20 something in here, and it just holds everything that they would need in here. And in the back is so great because There's this little zipper pouch. And my girls like to put sometimes note cards in there, stamps. So that's Abby's and that's Anna's. This is my little Kirsten, she's 6. And this is Lily and she's 4 and she's learning handwriting. And the girls are, my little ones have these little dry erase things and they practice their handwriting with a dry erase marker and some other things, but just stick that in there. So yeah, this is working for us and I love it because this is our table, and then when we're done with school, we can just put it right here. It's so great. Let me know if you guys have any questions or if this inspires you at all to put something together to hold all of your homeschool supplies and so that it doesn't overtake your house like mine was. This just brings so much peace. So anyways, I love you guys. Talk to you soon in the next video. Bye.